Charlotte, are you looking at your flashcards? Ant. Let's see. That's an ant. Let Mommy see the picture. Who else do we have here? I see a doggy. Not that one. That's a girl. It's a baby girl. Want to say hi to Mommy? Hi. Hi. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, Sh. Sh. You gonna say Charlotte? Sh. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's a girl.